Before we starting the video guys, let us see the quick look of Redmi Note 4. As reading the title of this video, you know that we are going to talk about Redmi Note 4. So let's get into the video.
It's black and white.
So guys, here I have ordered my phone from flipkart.com and I'm taking out my box. So here it is, Redmi Note 4. Let us take out the seals and packing. So let us check it out. There are some features like 625 octa-core processor, 13 megapixel camera, 13.9 centimeter display. I'm not reading it all guys, so let us check it out. As you can see guys, there is a shiny written 4 here. It means Note 4 obviously. So let us check out our phone here, and guys, there are some manuals here, like you can read it if you want. I'm not reading it. And here is a charger and USB connection wire, and you can connect your phone by a PC by this wire. And here we get a pin to take out the SIM slot. And guys, here is the quick look of this phone. I bought it on golden color and 64GB 4GB RAM. And here we get a fingerprint sensor, a flashlight, and there is a warning that do not take out the battery without specialized tools. So I'm power it on, and here's the wallpaper of my new phone. And guys, I have also bought a new cover from a brand new phone. As I'm showing you, it is in black color. And guys, there is a special announcement for that. There is a part 2 of this video. I will be showing the Xiaomi secret features. So don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Be ready for part 2.